I start my day at different times depending on how the night went, but I always try to wake up before anyone else. It gives me a little time for myself. The first thing I do is let out the chickens. They are always waiting excitedly by the door. I feed them and top up their water. We have 16 chickens now, so quite a few beaks to fill, and still not a single egg. It's wild how dry the grass is now. Just a month ago, everything was so green. I love these slow mornings, no distractions, no rush. I probably didn't pick the best day for filming since it's a bit cloudy today, but trust me, most mornings here are sunny and already warm. Next, I check on the garden. I like to see if anything changed since the evening, and spoiler alert, not much. But it makes me happy just to see it growing. Not everything is thriving, but some vegetables are doing really well, and that alone brings me so much joy. Then it's kettle on and I start preparing breakfast. Everyone else is still asleep. We start most morning with soft boiled eggs. Today I'm also making apple pancakes. After a little while, my first helper joins me, very excited about the pancakes, as you can imagine. Then my second helper joins me. Since we bought our outdoor furniture from IKEA, we've been having breakfast outside most days. The temperature at this time of the day is just perfect. After breakfast, we usually stay outside. I try to set up some activities for Mia so she stays busy while I'll get small jobs done. Today, I need to move some of the cut, dry grass to the compost pile. Little jobs like this keep me active. We enjoy the weather, get things done, and spend time together. It's nothing huge, but you really can see little results every day. Then it's time for a swing break, no negotiable. Mia loves being outside. She also loves helping and playing with the chickens. While the baby is still napping, I head back into the garden. Today's job is to add support sticks next to the tomato plants. As you can see, Mia's already changed her outfit again. Because apart from everything you see here, I also make snacks every half an hour, find new things to keep her engaged and try to keep things fun for both of us. And honestly, I love it. I'm never bored with her. Now it's time for some dinosaur activities in the shade. These are actually printables I made myself. You can find them in my Etsy shop. This one is dinosaur themed and designed for toddlers aged 2 to 3, but I've made a few other themes too. I will leave the link down below. I made this set because Mia is currently obsessed with dinosaurs and it really helps her focus. It's fun and educational at the same time. In the afternoon, it gets too hot, so we move inside for a few hours. We have lunch. Lately, I've been obsessed with homemade yogurts. I blend Greek yogurt or kefir with fruit and a little cocoa powder. It's so delicious and filling. We play indoors or watch a little TV. It's also nice time for me to give more attention to the baby. He's such a sweet boy. I managed to put both of the kids for a nap at the same time, so now I have about half an hour to work on my new project, which is a little doll house for Mia. She probably won't use them for dolls, more like animal toys she likes to play with. I think it would be cute, you like to put them inside. I took this project very seriously, so I tried to make it very nice with the wallpapers, all the floors, and later some furniture and stuff. It's nothing very special, it's just a cardboard box, but yeah, I work on that when I have free time. And once I'm sitting here, I wanted to talk to you about my gift, which I recently received from Tyeso. It is a lovely tumbler which keeps my water cold during the day. Double walled stainless steel with the pop-up straw. Look, you can easily hide the straw with just one turn. Open it, pops up, this goes on the side so you won't be able to lose it. Have a sip of cold water, which is so important during hot days like this. Mia loves it and I let her drink from it as it's stainless steel, and we try to reduce the plastic use, especially when it's so hot. You don't want plastic bottles to heat up from the sun and then drink from it. I chose the lovely pastel purple color. The size is great as well. We can take it to the car or just walk around with it and hold it. I also received this mug. I chose white color. This mug I use more in the morning to keep my coffee hot. As you can imagine, being able to drink hot coffee with 2 kids, it's a bit of a challenge, so this mug comes very handy. Again, double-walled stainless steel, lovely, like simple design, and does the job perfectly. So if you like or you're interested in this product, I will leave the link to the Tyeso website down below, and so go and check it out. And now, as I got only half an hour left probably of free time, I will go back to carry on with my dollhouse. Evenings are definitely the most intense part of the day. Feeding the chickens, watering the garden, keeping the kids entertained, tidying up the house and cooking dinner. That's why I try to cook for at least 2 days at a time. Today I'm lucky, I've got leftovers. I try to include Mia in as many tasks as possible. It keeps her engaged, teaches her life skills, and while it sometimes takes twice as long, it's always worth it. The courgettes and lettuce are doing really well, same with tomatoes. We also have a little visitor every evening. I feed him some lettuce or carrot, hoping he will be full enough to leave the rest of the garden alone. And after all the evening chores, it's finally time to relax and eat dinner. We eat outside and enjoy the quiet. Our new lights make this temporary terrace feel much cozier. Thanks for spending the day with me here on our little piece of Portugal. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Link for the Tyeso tumbler and my printables are in the description below. Good night!